I see you're interested in learning more about our 5-day intensive skincare masterclass. Well, I'm not surprised. It is a wonderful course. It's a 5-day intensive course where you're going to be making a huge range of skincare, body care and hair care products. It's hands-on, it's interactive, and it's 5 days of absolute fun. Now, this doesn't cover any type of soaps. This is purely devoted to skincare, body care, lip care and hair care. So it's a great complementary course for those of you who are already making soaps. The formulations are specially developed for this program and they utilise on-trend natural ingredients as well as skin actives, cosmeceuticals, botanicals, botanical infusions and delicious extracts. We don't use any synthetic fragrances, only natural extracts and essential oils on this course, and we'll also be showcasing natural preservative options for you. We've split the course up into 5 distinct modules, the first of which is a full range of hair care products. You'll be making shampoos for all of the main hair types. Then you'll be moving on and making a collection of different conditioners, hair masks and even hair serums. We'll be showcasing at least 6 different botanical infusions and utilising delicious plant-based oils and nourishing and hair-loving ingredients. In the body care range, we've got a feast of delicious products for you. They include alpha hydroxy acid skin peeling scrubs, emulsified body scrubs, body lotions, we've got body creams, hand creams, foot creams, gorgeous, rich, nourishing body butters. And I also want you to learn how to make a gorgeous gel base that you can adapt into lots of different ways. One core element of this course is the facial and anti-aging products, and we focused on 3 distinct ranges. The first of which is an Amazonian rainforest beauty collection. The second is a phytovitamin range, and the third is all based on African oils. Within each of these distinctive collections, we've included formulations for a gorgeous day cream, night cream, an eye cream, a facial tonic and a facial oil. And to complete the collection, you'll also be making up a makeup remover, a cream cleanser and an activated charcoal cleanser. We don't want you to just be able to make these products. We also want you to understand how you can adapt them and change them to fit your marketplace. So as well as all of the products that you're going to be making on the course, we've also included some fabulous videos that take you step by step through the process of how we chose the ingredients, what the properties of the ingredients are, and alternatives for you for switching out those ingredients and changing it into something that works for you and your target market. The last of the collections is entirely devoted to lip products, and we've included a lip scrub, lip butters, lip balms, lip glosses, and you'll also be spending time making beautiful coloured moulded lipsticks. Now, we like to keep groups quite small on this course. We want it to be really interactive. We want you to ask lots of questions and really get the most out of this. So places are always limited. So let's just recap. You'll be spending 5 wonderful days learning and making some beautiful products. These are going to include a full range of hair care products. You're going to have an entire range of body care products, including creams, lotions, scrubs, and tons of other things. You're going to have all of your facial products, including your cleansers and your toners, your serums, your day cream, night cream, eye creams, the whole package. We'll also be covering that full range of phytovitamin collection and for the African products, and those include products which have natural skin lightening and brightening properties. Don't forget, we've got all of those beautiful hand and foot products and a complete range of lip care too. Plus you've got all of the behind the scenes development on how we created those 3 complete skincare ranges. And that's going to allow you to adapt and change these formulations to fit your needs. Now, I wanted to share some really gorgeous other formulations with you too. So I've included as some bonuses a wonderful neck firming cream. We've got a cuticle cream, a hand serum, there's some massage cream and a full collection of massage oil. Wow, that's a lot of products and it really is a fabulous course. If you want to book your place, click on the button. If you've got any further questions, call us or email us and we would love to chat to you. I hope we see you really soon. Bye bye for now.